Hi, this is Kevin from Red Horse Garage. While it's still winter in New Hampshire, we hope to be back up to Mount Washington soon enough. Until then, you can still enjoy watching Motoramblings.
Take 946. Hey guys, Motoramblings here from the Motoramblings Garage. Today is Monday, March 8th, 2021. I have not been to the back doctor yet. I will go there on Wednesday, and whatever update I get from that doctor, I'll throw at the end of this video. I'm going to do a mail call, shout out, and backup date all together, although I'm going to record it in sections. Hopefully the transitions will be smooth and you won't even notice. The first part of this is I'm going to do a mail call from a couple of pieces of mail that I got from way north of here. You know, I'm in Western North Carolina. I'm going to start with Red Horse Garage, which you see playing here. And he also did the intro that you saw at the beginning of this. He sent me that intro, and I put it out last week with part of the video, and I did a shout out to him and showed some video here. That Mount Washington, wow, that looks like one heck of a ride. Harley girl mentioned it when on Instagram that it was, you know, a great but scary ride. So anyway, Red Horse Garage is from Concord, New Hampshire. His name is Kevin, and he sent me this really cool letter and some stickers. Hello, thought I'd send along a sticker for your sticker wall. Best wishes with the medical and bureaucratic wranglings, not motor ramblings. I like that. As I noted on your recent post, while you have some time off doing the motorcycle post, try some instructional post on your green screen art. So I'm going to do that a little bit here as well, but first I'm going to show the stickers. Got the Red Horse Garage with, looks like a classic bike riding on that picture. And then another one. And as usual, I will be putting one on the V-Strom on my top case and one up on the sticker board. But for that, I'm not an expert at all on this green screen. Say that 5 times real fast. I'm not an expert on this green screen stuff. What I've done, you can see the video playing here. I'm going to shut the video off here and just show you the screen itself. It's just a piece of fabric I got at Walmart. I got a whole bunch. I want to say it cost like $8 or something. And I cut it because the one piece was just way too big. So I cut it on this side. You can see where I've kind of torn it up a little bit where it's been cut. But you can't see that part anyway. And on the top here, I'm not going to move it now, but there's a 2x4 here. And I stretched the fabric real tight and stapled the green screen to the 2x4 just so I can have this thing stretched out a little bit and pulled to the sides. One of the things I did notice was shadows make a big difference. If I stand over here, you can see my shadow on the screen. Well, that would mess up any green screen videos that are showing. So I stand over here because the light's up there. My shadow's over here somewhere. So the screen looks pretty decent. Now, it's still not perfect. Ideally, this would be one color only. No shadows, no wrinkles, no folds. Yeah, I'm not an expert, and you know, it's okay. What I do is I layer it. I use OpenShot Video Editor. And what I do is I layer my videos. I put the main track, the one you're watching right now, I put it on a bottom layer. And then, I put that up above. And on the bottom layer, I will put whatever I want to show on here. So on track 1, I've got Red Horse Garages playing. So you can see it pretty decent here. Again, if I change this around, you'll notice differences in the video. The layer above it is the video you're watching right now. So I've got Red Horse Garage playing on track 1. On track 2, I've got the video that you're watching now. And on OpenShot, I use the chroma key, which I think is fairly common for most, but I know some, like a Filmora, I believe, it has just a button. It just says green screen right on it. I don't know much about it. Again, I'm not a professional at this editing. I've just been goofing around since I've been home with this back injury thing. So I take the chroma key and I bring that down onto this track that you're watching right at the moment. And what it does is you lay it on the track and then you click on it to get the properties of the chroma key. And it just shows black. I take that where the properties are for chroma. I click on that black. I want to change that color to this green. When I do that, it takes the green away and allows the video on the track below, Red Horse Garages in this case, to show through. I end up doing it multiple times for multiple colors because even though it looks pretty solid green, there's multiple shades of green in here. So I take the chroma key and I can put as many as I want onto one video. So I drop those chroma keys down, I click on the, you want to change the color, so I click on it because it starts with black. Then it says you can pick a screen color. So I just pick the color, this green, off the video. And then there's also a thing called fuzz. If you ever notice, like when the people have the subscribe thing come up and says subscribe and ring bell, sometimes you'll see like a green wipe almost that goes with it. It's like a blur. Well, on your most editing software, you've got a thing called fuzz that goes along with the green screen. And what I do is the fuzz comes automatically at 5. So when I first click it on, and I'll show you this as the video plays, when I first click it and I don't adjust the fuzz, just a very small portion of the green screen will disappear. But if I hit the fuzz, it opens up more of it. And I'll do that until I've got this whole green screen gone so that you see nothing but the video. It's a little bit of a process, and I'm sure professional editors or even non-professional editors that have been doing it a while know a much better way. I've tried some of the other editing programs, DaVinci Resolve and all that. It's just way too complicated for my pea brain. So OpenShot's one I'm used to. It's what I do, and I'm just going to stick with it because I don't want to learn anything else. So anyway, chroma key, clicking on the color you want to disappear and let the video that's on the bottom track show through. That's my somewhat brief interpretation. Kevin, if that's too confusing, let me know. You can send me an email again. We can talk about it. I don't know what editing program you use, but I think it's fairly standard. So anyway, that was Red Horse Garage and his stickers and his letter. I also got another letter from even further north. This one's all the way from Ontario, Canada. So let's see, I'm going to read the letter first. Hi, Motoramblings. Sorry to hear about your injury. Here's to a healthy and speedy recovery. Nice thing is that the bikes and the roads will be waiting for you. Yes, they will. They're getting lonely. Take care, Dave, and all the best. And on his note here, might be hard to see through, but he's got like a watermark on the whole page that is a motorcycle there. That's pretty neat. I like that. And so that's cool. And he also sent me an HDR Harley Diners Ride sticker. So these stickers are all going to get up on the board. Like I said, I'm going to save one of Red Horse Garage stickers and put it on my V-Strom. But for now, take Red Horse Garage and put it on the sticker board. I think what I'll do is I'll show you guys afterward because my fat fingers aren't very good at peeling these, and yeah, I don't think you want to watch me fighting with that. So I will take care of that, and then I'll show you on the board when I'm done. See you in just a second. All right, so we've got these up on the board. Right above my stickers, you'll see Red Horse Garage, Harley Diners Ride, and I also put them on the V-Strom. I put Red Horse Garage over on this side, right next to PSP Tommy G and Randy at Sinister Clutch, Walton, PA. Now, Route 16. That's the back of the Dragon. Going to be going back there in June. Yes. All right, let's move over here and show you where I put Harley Diner's ride. It's here. You might not be able to see it all that well, but that's the Harley Diner's ride. And of course, we're back here. You can see NBA Rider, Superman Kev, JP 1970. Stickers on the V-Strom, stickers on the wall. Loving it. All right, I have some more mail call to do. I will get to that in just a second. I will talk to you then. All right, guys, we're at almost 11 minutes already on this video, so I think what I'm going to do is save the rest of the mail call for another video. I will put a back update on the end of this video. Like I said, I'm already at almost 11 minutes. I'll put a back update at the end of this video, and then I'll save the next mail call for either next Saturday, or maybe I'll do it as an additional, depending on what's going on. So thank you for watching and bearing with me on such a long video. And I hope everyone can stay safe, stay well, but most of all, stay happy. Motoramblings out. Hey guys, welcome back. I told you I'd put an update for my back at the end of the video, so here it is. I went to the doctor today. He told me I broke some bones along the side of my spine, but that they're healing up just fine. The muscles that were attached to those bones are all messed up, and I need physical therapy to get those squared away. He's put me at work for 4 hours a day on limited duty, so that's good. At least I'm going to get out and do something. And he also said that he would see me in 2 months. On May 10th, I have another appointment. He figures it's going to take me at least a month to get started on physical therapy. In the meantime, no motorcycle riding. So right now, it looks like I won't be on either bike until May 10th. That may affect the videos in the future, but hopefully not. I'll try to come up with something that's halfway entertaining between now and then, and we'll just see what happens. If I get into physical therapy sooner and get started on it, I might get on the bikes sooner, which would be really nice. But at least May 10th is before VAM 21, so I'll see you all there. All right, that's my back update, and there shouldn't be any more back updates for a while unless I start physical therapy before the next videos start coming up. So for now, thank you all for all the continued support, all the encouragement, all the positive thoughts. It's just been amazing. This motorbog community is incredible. Bob Nelson, you're right at the top of that list. If you haven't subscribed to Bob Nelson, please do. Guy is great. All right, I'll do a bunch of other shout-out videos, seeing as I'm not going to be doing any riding over the course of the next several weeks. So for now, thank you all for watching. And again, thank you for all the support, and I'll see you in the next one. Motoramblings out.